Please watch the video in high quality. Recently, I have been getting HTTP 1.1500 internal server error when I build and publish to WebGL in Unity. The code of my project contains a WebRequest and download handlers. And sometimes the publish and build is successful, but the game load on the web or on Unity Play only to 90% and then stops there and fail to load completely. There are different suggestions to fix the issue. One suggestion is to restart Unity Editor and Unity Hub. And the other suggestion is to restart the PC. Another one is to change the player project settings by going to player setting and other settings, where we could change the strip engine code to make it to untick it. And to change the value for the manage stripping level to low, and the vertex compression and change it to none, and the optimized mesh data need to be unchecked, and going to the publishing settings is to change the compression format to disabled and to tick the compression fallback. That's one of the other solutions. And the other suggestion is to not block web request in the code. In other words, we need to get rid of all the while, if, and other statements that may block the request. So I would have in my code that use in one of the project, I need to block this for or comment out this block of code. So I have tried all of these suggestions and none of them seems to fix the issue. So let me reset the project settings and the code to the way they were before I tried the suggestions. The error seems to be random. My project sometimes builds and publishes successfully to WebGL, and sometimes I get the 500 internal server error. And this randomness may confuse a person about what solution would work. If the project randomly publishes successfully to the web, for example, a person may think that the fix they are trying is the right answer. So I thought, what if I just keep trying to build and publish to WebGL over and over until the publishing is successful? So let's try that. And I tried that few times, and the result that in one of the buildings and publishing, it worked eventually. So um, I'm still don't understand the reason for that error, given that the 500 internal server error is generally it's a general by nature, so there's no specifications of what the or it's hard to pin out what the real reason is. It could be a Unity bug or something else. However, the repetitive trial of building and publishing to WebGL seems to be a temporary fix, and which I tried and worked. So yeah, hopefully that would help if you stumble upon a 500 internal server while you were trying to publish to WebGL in Unity. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and click the notifications button to help me make more videos like this.